Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I thank you so much for tuning in. Today, guys, I'm participating in a tablescape collaboration, and that is the put the pedal to the metal tablescape 2020. Now, the host for this collaboration is Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and she has a few co-hosts, and they are Veronica of Saving with Mrs Vee, Stephanie of Creatively MsMe, Sule of MystyleMycolours, and Eleanor of Eleanor Decor. Now, Tammy is the queen of the unconventional DIY. Veronica is all about savings. If you want to save, you have to go visit Miss V. Stephanie is all about making home decor a little bit easier on the budget. And Sule is all about the color. If you want to see beautiful home decor and outstanding color, you got to go visit Miss Sule. Now, Eleanor has fantastic content, but she's over on Instagram. So you have to go over to Instagram and show Eleanor some love. Also, please go down and visit the playlist because you will see all kinds of creators and some beautiful tablescapes if you do that, as well as visit all the links to all of the ladies' channels, which I've included in my description box. Now, for this pedal to the metal tablescape, we were asked to use at least 2 metals, and we were given a list of metals like gold, silver, titanium, etc. And Mrs. V asked us if we would include a metal DIY. So or a metal theme DIY. So if you'll hang on, at the end of my video, I have a really short clip showing you how I updated these metal trimmed glasses that you're going to see. I thrifted them and I had to spruce them up, and you'll see how I did that. And I've included those glasses in my tablescape. So enough talking. Let's get to the tablescape, but I just want to say this before I let you go. If you're not a member of this channel, please hit that subscription bell today, or subscription button. Tap the bell a couple of times. I would love to have you be a part of this family. Now here goes my pedal to the metal tablescape.